So watch here. Now this variable what become? This is a local variable, and this variable what become? Instance variable. So this is a difference between. Okay. So how many tag we have? We have three tag. One is a expression tag. Remember this one. This is the expression tag. Expression tag contain any Java expression. Any Java expression. If you want to place any Java expression, you can use expression tag. To place Java expressions, we are using expression tag. Now we have scriptlet tag. Any Java code, any Java code, any Java code, any Java code we have required to place, we can place any Java code and inside scriptlet tag. We have declaration tag. Okay. So if you want to any Java declarations, if you want to place any Java declaration, so Java declaration we have required to place under which tag? We require to place under declaration tag. Yes, no? So declaration tag is used to specify any Java declaration. So you can place any Java declarations. So here we are placing any Java declaration. This is a declaration tag. Okay, one important point. I close it as declaration tag. So this is a three type of tag. Okay. When you using the expression tag code should be placed under underscore GSP service method, underscore GSP service method, okay, which take two parameter, HTTP servlet request, HTTP servlet response. Actually, whatever code you are written inside expression tag, that code become as an argument for print method of out object. Remember this one. So expression tag become as an argument for print method. Whatever code you written inside the scriptlet tag, that code should be placed underscore GSP service method directly. So underscore GSP service method, which code come? Underscore GSP service method, whatever code you written inside the scripted tag, that code will become as a part. That code should be placed inside underscore GSP service method directly for generated servlet. And whatever code you are written inside declaration tag, that code become outside the GSP service method and inside the class. That code should place inside the class directly, but outside underscore GSP service method. So these are three expression tags. Clear? Okay, so let's we understand one example. Okay, we have three expression tag: scriptlet tag, expression tag, and declaration tag. So let's here we are using scriptlet tag. This is a scriptlet tag. Inside a scriptlet tag, you can write any Java code. Whatever Java code you want to write, you can write any Java code. Yes, no? So here we display one message. Out is a built-in object. If you want to print anything, you can print using out object. Yes, no? Using out object. Now here we writing in the statements, calculate product. Calculate calculate product. I'm writing some statement. So okay. Now the statement should be ended with semicolon within a scripted tag. So this is a scripted tag. Okay. Now we are using another scripted tag. Here we declare three variables: int a, comma b, comma c. We declare three variables: a, comma b, comma c. I'm giving some value: a equal to 10, suppose b equal to 20, whatever Java code. Now we see that writing c equal to a plus b. C equal to a plus b. Now this is a scripted tag. Now we want to use the c value. So C value, actually watch here, whatever variable you are declaring inside the scriptlet tag, that is a local variable. So local variable can't be accessed outside the method. This means this variable can be accessed only within a underscore JSP service method. Now we want to use this variable value here. We want to use the C value. We want to print the C value. Here this is a what? This is a expression tag. This is a expression tag. In expression tag, we are using C value. Can we use it? Okay, try to run it and then we are try to understand. Yes, you can use it. Why? Okay, let's understand. Yes, you get the output. Why? Because expression tag, whatever code we are written, the code should be placed for argument of out.println inside underscore GSP service method. So this is a variable is also underscore GSP service method. So you can use this variable in a expression tag. Okay. But if you're writing any variable, can we use this variable in a declaration tag? You can't use. Okay. Because what a declaration tag, under declaration tag, whatever we are declaring variable, the variable should be placed inside the class outside the method. Okay, let's here we define one. Let's here we are using the br tag and here we define one method. So to declare a method, we are using declaration tag. Yes, no? So here we are using declaration tag and here we will define one method, that is a square method. This method take a parameter and return the square of a number. So return and into one. You can check here and into one. So this method what become instance method, because this method, this is a declaration tag. Whatever you are declaring inside the declaration tag, that code should be placed inside the class but outside the method. Now we are using expression tag. This is expression tag. Now we're calling the square method. Okay. So suppose we are calling the square method. So what is the square up to? Okay, let's run it and try to understand. Watch here. What is the square up to? 4. Okay, this code written outside the class, yes or no? So you can call this method from the expression tag also, yes or no? This method you can call from the expression tag also. Okay. So you can write any Java code, whatever you have required. So, but understand which code where we need to place. If you have any declarations, if you want to define at a class level, at instance, it means outside the class means class level means maybe static variable, instance variable, static method, non-static methods. So then we have required to use declaration tag. If you want to declare any variable locally, then we should go for scriptlet tag. Scriptlet tag code should be placed inside underscore JSP service method. Expression tag code should be placed as an argument of out.println method. Okay. So based on requirement, you need to place the code in which expression we are required to use. Clear?